Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 and I want to show you this advent calendar box I made. I had seen a couple floating around on YouTube and this one was based on a tutorial from Michelle of the Shabby Chic Chick. So I will link her YouTube in the box below. If you would like to know more about it, go check her out. The box is 8.5 by 8.5 by 4 inches tall, and I used a ribbon enclosure. I usually don't use ribbon as a closure, but I did. So let me take you inside. I mean, it barely fits in the camera. It is so big. I liked this tutorial because I liked the different size boxes. I thought that was really cool. Now, of course, it's only 12 as opposed to the smaller boxes you could get 24, but that is how I did it. So here is the side, you know, when it's folded, and again, you would tie it like that and then open it that way. Santa's in the middle. He's got some cotton on his fur and his pom-pom. Let me take you a little bit closer. So the boxes are 1 5/8 inch tall, I think. On number 1, I added some stickers that say 1 and made a little shaker with a couple of snowflakes in there. Joy, and then the wreath has some little evergreen pieces that I had. Little cake there on number 3, some rhinestones on number 4. On the gift on number 5, I actually had added some embroidery floss for the bow. Didn't do too much to Better Not Pout. I thought that was enough. And then on this side, number 7 has a button that just has a little tie on it. Number 8 is just a cute little house. Ho, ho, ho for 9. Some skates on 10. 11 is cookies, and I had this cute little cookie button. I'm not sure what it is. It's a cookie shape that I had in my stash. But isn't that cute? And I, of course, added some fake greens. And then have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I just added some extra flowers, and they're popped up. I think it's hard for you to see, but here you can see how much they popped up. And inside the boxes, so I lined everything with red, but inside the boxes I added cute little sayings or whatever I could find. So each day has a little surprise in it besides whatever gift you're going to put inside it. I hope you like this project. If you'd like to see more things that I make, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.